Hi everyone. So today we have a really great CD player from Alpine. It's from early 2000s. The model is 9812RB, and we did manage to install Bluetooth in this one also, instead the aux, which is outdated. So at first I'm gonna test the radio itself, the CD player, and later I'm gonna show you how to use the Bluetooth, okay? Okay, sounds really great. Let's see how it looks in the dark. All lights are great. Few buttons the camera don't focus, but they are all okay. Okay, so in order to activate the Bluetooth, we have to switch to aux mode. Okay, so press the band. Oh, sorry, source. Okay, now it's aux. It means the Bluetooth is activated. Now go to our cell phone, turn on the Bluetooth, wait a couple of seconds, and here it is. Now the Bluetooth is activated. It's very simple, and we can go to YouTube and play any music you want. Cool, right? Let's switch the song. One thing is annoying me with this Bluetooth, that the phone volume has to be always the maximum, okay? So every time you turn on the Bluetooth, you have to go on your phone and do the maximum volume. But otherwise, and when you want to back to your regular radio or CD player, simply press source again, and you are on the FM mode again. Very simple. Cool, right? Thumbs up.